Kia ora Year 12, here's question 2E from 2014 integration. So this is another one where what you have to do is really obvious. You just have to carefully manipulate a couple of expressions, and we're finding the centre of mass of an object. And so we've given this formula here and this formula here for x bar and y bar respectively. Okay, so one of the things we have to do is to find the area of the object, this object down here, and then we have to apply these definitions. And the curve is given by y equals root x plus 1. So first I'm going to find the area of the object. Okay, so I just skipped talking through that because it's very straightforward integration. And if you're watching this, hopefully that was very easy. Just be careful of arithmetic errors. We end up with a is equal to 28 over 3. So now we go on and we find x bar and y bar, the coordinates of the centroid. So x bar is 1 over a times this. All right, so again, I'm going to put that up there and I'm going to pause and just show the working in a few seconds. So that's the multiplication and then the anti-differentiation in here. So the last thing we've got to do with that is to substitute in the values. And that gives me 3 over 28 times 2/5, 4 to the power of 5 over 2 plus 4 squared over 2, so 16 over 2. And again, it's minus 0 plus 0. Just don't forget about this and always check that it is 0. Especially with exponentials, it often won't be. So now we've got 3 over 28 times, what does this work out to be? 2/5 of 32 plus 8, giving me 3/28 of 104 over 5. So simplifying that fraction, we can either leave it as a simplified fraction, so 78 over 35, which is nice, or if you must, you can put it into your calculator and get 2.229 to 3dp. Okay, so that's x bar done. Now we have to do something similar with y bar. So y bar is equal to this, 1 over a. But this time we take the function and we square it and we divide by 2 dx. Right, so again, there are the next few steps of that done. We're just substituting in and then expanding, taking out a constant term, and now we're going to evaluate. So I get 356 times 4 squared on 2, so 16 on 2 here, plus 4/3 times 4 to the 302 plus 4 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 3 over 56 times, I'll let you do all of that, because if you're watching this, I'm sure you can add fractions and hopefully do this in your head. That gives me 68 over 56, or 17 over 14, giving me a decimal approximation of 1.214. So at the end, we want to write our answer nicely like this. X bar y bar is equal to either of these things. Okay, there you go. So that question is one where it's just so clear what you've got to do. The challenges are not making any small algebraic errors on the way through. I'll be back soon with question 3.